Yeah.
Welcome to Tramark. Today we will demonstrate working of semi-automatic web sealer with shrink tunnel. This machine have two parts, first web sealer and second is shrink tunnel. Both machine are integrated to work together. Web sealer and shrink tunnel machine is used to shrink wrap group of product like beverages, bottles or jars or carton etc. While starting the machine we need to set the parameter like temperature and timings. We also adjust the pusher guide as per product size. Bottles or product are arranged manually in pusher slide area in desired matrix format and pusher is activated to push this group of bottles to web sealer wrapping section where it get wrapped in shrinkable plastic film. The wrapping section wraps the film all around the product and seal the edges, keep two sides open. And pneumatic cutter operates to cut the plastic to separate it from film roll for the next cycle. Once next cycle repeat, the current group of plastic film wrapped product pushes the first one which is already wrapped into the tunnel. The machine can run continuously packet after packet to give speed ppf up to 6 cycle per minute depending on operator skills. We hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to subscribe us.